Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what Codm needs. Log in, confirm the execution animation or operator skin is unlocked, and back up your control bindings. Once done, navigate to the loadout screen and choose the weapon or operator that holds the execution. Make sure you have any required skins or tokens, otherwise you cannot apply the change. Do this now so you avoid losing progress later. This saves time when you move to edit and apply the new execution. You now go into customization. Tap the operator or weapon, then open the execution or finishing move slot. From the list, preview animations to see how they look in-game. Once selected, confirm to bind it to that loadout. If Codm offers timing or attachment options, tweak them. These affect animation triggers during play. Make incremental changes and test in a private match. That way, you confirm the execution triggers reliably and matches your playstyle without surprising teammates. You finish by saving the loadout and immediately testing in a private match to verify the execution plays correctly. If it does not, make sure the animation is unlocked. Check for conflicting key bindings or equipment that override executions and reapply the change. Once you identify the blocker, change only that variable and retest. If problems persist, revert to the backup profile you made earlier and try the process again. This isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.